Section 7.5. This part is talking about gaseous exchange between living things and the environment. Now, let's take a look at the animals. In the section 7.2, you may know that breathed air contains less oxygen and more carbon dioxide than unbreathed air. So, from this, we know that oxygen is taken in from air, and carbon dioxide is released to air by our body. So, takes in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. And in fact, gaseous exchange, 即係氣體交換, occurs continuously between our body and the environment. But can we see the gaseous exchange between our body and the environment? I think we cannot see it because both the oxygen and carbon dioxide are colorless. Yes, you are right. But don't worry, I can find a way to let you see it. I have a friend that can help me to show you that there is gaseous exchange between animal and air. You know what is my friend? Dun, dun, dun. Hello, I am Peter. I am a grasshopper. I can show you my gaseous exchange between air and me. Okay, so let's see the setup of the experiment. I can use this setup to show you the gaseous exchange. You can see the boiling tube, and there is a red ink here. Let's look at the red ink marker. The ink will move in the tube if the amount of air is changed. If the amount of air increases, the ink will move to which side? To the right-hand side. If the amount of air decreases, the ink will move to the left. See? Okay. I see. So, if the amount of air in the tube has no change, the ink will not move. Clever boy. What will happen if if I jump into the boiling tube? I think the ink will not change in position. Okay. Now, it is because you take in oxygen and the amount of air decreases, but you give out the same amount of carbon dioxide, so the total amount of air will not change. Right. Good boy. Now, I put some soda lime into the tube. Soda lime is used to absorb carbon dioxide. Do you think the ink will move? In this case, you take in oxygen from air, and the soda lime inside the tube absorbs the carbon dioxide, which is released by you. Then, the total amount of air in the tube will be decreased. Then, the ink marker will move to the left. That means towards the tube. Am I right? Your hypothesis is correct. Let's see the real experiment in science lesson. So, on the whole, the gaseous exchange of animal is the same during daytime and nighttime. Through gaseous exchange, animals takes in oxygen from the environment and release carbon dioxide to the environment. And in humans, gaseous exchange occurs inside the lungs. Remember, inside the lungs, not on the other places. Okay, that is inside the lungs. Through gaseous exchange, animals take in oxygen from the environment and release carbon dioxide to the environment. Okay, bye bye.